This is the newly modernized elevator, the older elevator at the Student Cooperative Association Hadley Union Building in Indiana University, Pennsylvania, Indiana, Pennsylvania. The traditionally older 80 Series 1, I think, from 1984, but Right Elevator just modernized it. In the past year and a half, I was like, oh, it's a new cab. I had like a red cab before. Get on to 1. Here we go. See the Otis logo there. It's not on Smart Rise, or if it is, it doesn't act like the newer hydro controller Era 1. I think 1 used to be made, but now 2 is, I guess. Go back up to 2. I don't know what that is, because the fan is over there. It is a basic cab, it's a newer redone cab. Oh, it's vibrating. These like I think they're just applied to the original panels, but it does make it look nicer than what it was before. It was kind of dingy before. Here are 2. It's a nice mod. A little generic, that's alright. There's 2 Braille, a higher, newer one, a lower, older one. It wasn't must be. I think that's a new door. No, it isn't. I thought it was.